If you like a classic jogger pant, but maybe velour isn't for you, or maybe you want something that's a little less blingy, then I'd recommend our Ponte knit jogger pant. We have this style in a couple different colors, and one of my favorites is olive because it's super neutral, goes with everything, and you can wear it year round, no matter the weather. This look is a little bit more casual, and it's appropriate for a little bit cooler weather. So what I've done to style this look is I've kept a basic striped knit top. It's just an easy tank. I promise you, the French tuck is your friend. Just a little tuck in the front, leave it out on the sides. It hides a multitude of sins. And then I love layering with just a basic denim button down. This is something I've had in my closet for over a decade. I can't even tell you the last time I washed it, but it wears really well. And if you just knot the sides, it gives you a little bit more of an effortless, casual vibe. I've paired this look with my favorite sneakers that I got off a resale app, so it's sustainable, friendly, and they're super comfortable. I've also paired it with a really fun bandana that we now make at Yellow Cake, which can also double as a face mask, a necktie, or another kind of hair scarf for your ponytail. Pro tip: if you want to keep your headband from sliding, just spray a little bit of hairspray on the sides and the top of your hair before you tie it around. Get any kind of barrette or a couple bobby pins, and then just clip it in the back. And it'll hold it down for much longer throughout the day. That way it doesn't slide up over your ears all the time.